this is Curriculum 3 again, and today I'm going to show you how to make some slime. So yeah, let's get started. First, you put glue into the mixing bowl, and then you put paint or food coloring in it, any color you want. So I did it. And then you put activator or laundry detergent in it. I use activator. You can use laundry detergent. And you might want to pick it up with your hands and really play with it. And I recommend doing it like one chuck at a time because it was really messy. I could not stop the camera. So that's what I recommend. Making slime is really fun. I really recommend it. Right now, I was just having a ball playing with it. It was just so fun. I'm like, yeah, I love it, I love it. And you can also add jewels and little, I don't know, gems and little sprinkles and confetti with it. And you might want to play with it a lot if you add those because it might go all the way to the top and it might be disgusting. So this is what it turned out to look like. I like it. And those are my other slimes. I did it on the wrong angle. Okay, that's my arm. Okay, yeah. I liked making slime. It's really fun. Now I put it in a container that like all my other slimes you saw, and I was gonna add more glitter to it, and I just like adding glitter. I don't know, I just like the look of it. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and hit that like button. Bye. Well, kind of. It's still going, but bye. Quick interruption. I was having so fun playing with the slime, I didn't even know the camera was still filming, so I was like, the camera is off. It should be okay. And I had no clue. I was like having so much fun that I just completely forgot everything in the world that exists.